But for those who rejected Christ, paminaw, kung ikaw unbeliever ka ron, nagpaminaw niini, your soul is separated from God, awaiting final judgment. You see the difference? So kamo nga nagpaminaw niini as a believer, you should take this into consideration. Now, of course, our destiny is heaven. Iandam na sa Diyos. Imagine, the Bible says the city of heaven is going to come down to this earth. And that city is described in the book of Revelation in the day that you cannot comprehend. You know, you must have been to some beautiful places, but you cannot even think of anything that even comes close to the description of heaven.